the Bitaxe Supra. I need to put this in front of you here. Why? This is something which is called a miner, if you are not aware of this. This can mine Bitcoin. This little gadget here is highly unlikely. However, it can mine Bitcoin. And there has recently been a block which has been mined, and they received 3.125 Bitcoin, which is around $200,000. So is this worth it? Is this something that you should get? Why should you get this? Let's delve into it. Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al-Ahmed, and today we're going to be unboxing a Bitaxe Supra. I've got my knife out, but I don't think I actually need the knife. This is the box that it arrived. Well, it's arrived in. Very nice, very nicely packaged. So this took a few days to arrive. I bought this from the UK. As you all know, that I live in the UK. This is from a company called the Solo Mining Co. Let's see how it's arrived. Okay, so I believe all of these Bitaxes are... Oh, interesting. 10% off my next purchase if I leave a review. Just so you do know, I've got a code, sorry, a link down below where you can get 5% off if you did want to use that link and support me. However, yeah, here it's saying that if you leave a review, you get 10% off, which is even better if I'll be honest. But yeah, so it's from the Solo Mining Co. That was the box, the Bitcoin Genesis block. Let's have a look. What is this? So it's showing the Genesis block itself and what was written. Known as block 0, it is the first block of Bitcoin blockchain. It was mined by cryptocurrency's creator Satoshi Nakamoto on the 3rd of January 2009. On this day, a digital revolution began. Okay, so the thing is, right, Bitaxe, from my understanding, is fully open source. These items which have been created, from my understanding, if you're an electrical engineer or somebody that can actually create these, you can take the code and everything and put it onto the boards and then create yourself and then sell it. So this is what these companies are doing, from my understanding. I may be wrong. If I am, please do comment down below, let me know. Let's check what this is. Okay, this is just a PSU. I've got something to mention about this, which I will do in a sec. So I'll throw this box away, leave that to the side, and this is just some documentation, I think, regarding the PSU itself. Ideal power. Okay. Where is the English? Read thoroughly before operating unit. Keep the instructions for future reference. Okay. One thing that I did want to mention is this. You need to use the PSU that comes with this, because if you use too many watts, it actually damages the Bitaxe, and then it's game over. You need to basically either repair it or buy a new one. I'll leave that to a side for now, but let's look at the actual thing. So scan for setup instructions. So I can scan that, but I'm not going to right now. I'm just showing you an unboxing for this video. Wow, okay, it's come in a sleeve where it's for so it doesn't burn anything. Interesting. So why did I buy from the Solo Mining Co. rather than anyone else? I will come to that. Okay, I'm gonna throw this away, throw the box away. Show you some close-ups of the Bitaxe itself. Let me put them to the side there. So this is the Bitaxe, and that's a neat little touch. They put the Solo Mining Co. Logo there. Okay, there's a little bit of plastic film there. I do wonder if I can take that off. Let's look at the actual, see what's actually there. 5 volts DC. Okay. Bitaxe. I love the logo. The Bitaxe logo looks so nice. Solo Mining Co. Let's look what's here. Okay. So what is it that this company does that's different to the others, right? From my understanding, I believe there's a guy called Duncan there or something. I saw that through the Twitter pages, right? But basically, they create these custom stands which they've created themselves. You can see that this is orange with black. That's what I chose as a custom. And something that's very nice with this company, they have LEDs and lighting that they basically put, which if you get a share, it emits a pulse, which looks pretty cool. In addition, this is something that I was interested in. They've put a power output section here. So there's one here which, oh, they've closed up. I wonder if you can remove that. I think you can. You could probably potentially remove this part. Now, I might just try it just now. Let's see. Yeah, I don't want to pull it too hard because I'm never going to use that part anyway. But yeah, so that's where the original power cord goes. And then this is the new one that they've put. So you could basically like have it stood up. And then this is another little switch for the LEDs if you didn't want it. So they've named this the Bit Halo. As you can see the branding there, Bit Halo. And this is just close up of the circuit there. Let's look at the power brick that's come with it. So this is a, let's have a read, right? Ideal power, made in China. Right, I'm not too sure. It's meant to be 5 volts, I believe. So hopefully you guys can see one there, and hopefully you understand what to buy. This you can change it to different adapters. They've basically done it for international buyers as well. That's probably why they went with this supplier. I don't think they make these power supply units. But yeah, there's other little stuff if you're like from the EU or from USA, etc. Obviously, I'm from the UK, so I'm going to be using that. Can see that this is from like Asia, I think. Yeah, so they've got a lot of different ones. Should put that there just to line it up for you. So just to give you a few facts about the Bitaxe Supra, which is what this is. So this Supra is a V401 BM1368. Basically, it uses the Bitmain BM1368 chip, which is from the S21 miner. It should produce around 750 gigahash per second when it's doing its hash rate. Obviously, it's SHA-256, which is the ASIC algorithm. It's Wi-Fi compatible, so obviously it connects to your Wi-Fi, and then you can connect it to a public pool or something like this to solo mine. The efficiency is 20 joules per terahash, which basically means that it's very efficient regarding electricity. And it uses a 5 volt 4 amp PSU, which is hopefully what this PSU is. This is what the solar mining company gave whilst I ordered this. Do not use anything higher because it will damage your Bitaxe. It can burn the board. This is something that I've seen like on Reddit and stuff. So just do be careful. In addition, as I said, this Bitaxe is completely open source. So all the software, the firmware, even how to create this and design it, everything's on bitaxe.org. So do have a check out on that. And it's somebody that's called Scott9000 that actually created this whole project. So hands down to him, it's awesome. The fact that he even did this. So this whole Bitaxe, the fact that Scott did all of this, the whole concept of having a Bitaxe is to increase the decentralization of mining. Because as you already probably know, if you go into mempool.space, you could probably see how many companies are actually dominating the whole mining aspect. It's like USA Foundry, Antpool, Mara now as well, which is basically mining every block. The whole point of Bitaxes is they want, well, Scott's vision, I believe, is that he wants it in every household, everyone to have one or few or multiple. Why? Because if these Bitaxes create higher enough hash, then you can basically mine it, and it'll be the people which are decentralized mining it, the people that have these Bitaxes, rather than a corporation like Mara or US Foundry or Antpool, I believe they call it Antmine, whatever. Me having this is basically helping the whole ecosystem and the decentralization. I don't know if you all already know, but Bitaxe has already mined one or two. Recently, it's been one block, which the person received 3.125 Bitcoin. They solo mined it. Just do understand when you solo mining, you're basically, it's very, very, very unlikely. They call it a lottery, but basically the whole reason I've got it is to help with the decentralization and stuff. I don't really, yeah, it'd be great if I received the reward, but it's highly unlikely. But yeah, some people put it in a pool where the pool itself will divide the blocks and give everyone sats. I'm going to be using it as a solo, so if I do find a block, I will receive the full reward of the block. Highly unlikely, but it doesn't matter. For me, it's anything to help the decentralization. As you all know, I love Bitcoin. I love this whole crypto space. And yeah, if you did enjoy this unboxing, please do subscribe to my channel. I truly appreciate it. In addition, as you already probably know, I upload videos regarding crypto, cybersecurity, unboxings, tech, stuff like this. So yeah, do subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have one and if you're super excited to basically have one and get one mining. I will be having a mining pool configuration video, so me setting this up basically, to put it in short terms. I will have a video on this, so do subscribe if you want to have a look at how you should put this into a public pool. So I'm going to be using public pool, which is a website which they recommend as well. It's fully free, there's no fees or anything taken either. And yeah, do stay tuned. And lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.